Well, I sure wish I had done this, cleaned this surface when I had it all apart. Now I gotta do it with it together.
Job Fair 40, this Tuesday, April 29th.
For only $25. Might you ever smoke?
That goes in, chain goes on, washer. There you go. Yep, it lines right up.
Cool off with 32 ounces of McDonald's new fresh brewed sweet tea. Price and participation may vary. Ounces refer to average contents filled.
Home Depot, you can do it, we can help.
Sloppy Second rocks on 100.3 WHEB.
Automatic transmission fluid.
Another night in hell, another child won't live to tell. Can you imagine what it's like to starve to death? And as we sit free and well, another soldier has to yell, tell my wife and children I love them in his last breath. Come on now, amen, 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 amen. Habitual offenders, creator and a savior. I'm no saint, but I believe in what is right. Come on now, amen. I said amen, amen. Stop pointing fingers and take some blame. Pull your future away from the flame. Open up your mind and start to live.
Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts.
Clipping my replacement pistons here.
Toyo tires arriving daily. Our huge buying power assures you'll always get the guaranteed lowest price on Toyo tires. And remember, at Town Fair Tire, you always get free mounting, free flat repair, free tire rotation, and free front wheel alignment with any tire purchase. Enjoy a quiet and comfortable ride with your new Toyo tires. Town Fair Tire also has the largest selection of custom wheels. We can design a custom tire and wheel package with your new Toyo tires. Remember,
the next one down, dark colored.
Toyo Tires, see the professionals at Town Fair Tire, because nobody beats Town Fair Tire. Nobody. Name brand discount prices. Town Fair Tire.
Are you in the market for a new vehicle? Go to seacoastonline.com/cars, the auto source for the Seacoast. Serious about buying a new vehicle? Want to receive a free $25 gas card? It's easy. Just search for the vehicle you are most interested in purchasing. Click on the contact link to contact the dealer. First 100 qualified participants will receive a free $25 gas card. Don't wait. If you're in the market for a new vehicle, log on today. Complete rules are online at seacoastonline.com/cars. The auto source for the Seacoast.
On Tuesday, April 29th, Clear Channel Radio will be hosting Job Fair 40 at the Frank Jones Center in Portsmouth. This is a free event and hundreds of jobs are being offered. Need retraining? Visit one of the numerous schools and colleges that will be there. Dress for success, bring a resume, and be ready to visit companies that are hiring right now. Job Fair 40 on Tuesday, April 29th at the Frank Jones Center from 10 till 4 p.m. Call 436-7300 for details. Job Fair 40 is sponsored by JobsNH.com and the Employment Times. Improve your
A little WD-40, steel wall, of course.
To the outlets, take me out and let's save. Buy me some vino and spirits, Jack. Spend $120 and get a $20 gift card back.
Spring is here, and that means spring savings fever is in full swing at the New Hampshire State Liquor and Wine Outlet. Stop in between now and April 27th and get a free $20 gift card with any purchase of $120 or more of wine and spirits. Oh, I just barrel. Eddie Money and Metallica in there as well. Jamie Rock's hanging out. We're going to take a quick break. When we come back, we'll be checking back in with JR. He is live at State Street Discount, so stick around for that.
Deglazing these.
Hey, animal lovers, why not do what you love for a living? Learn a career in the multi-billion-dollar pet care industry. Come visit MACC, Massachusetts Academy of Canine Cosmetology, at Job Fair 40, April 29th. At the Frank Jones Center in Portsmouth. We'll show you how to get your paw in the door. For more information, visit our website at maccgrooming.com. The Massachusetts Academy of Canine Cosmetology, teaching the sheer art of professional pet grooming.
Hey, Kim, how was lunch at McDonald's?
Everything I've read, this is probably just about
Okay,
perfect.
what's with the southern accent? Well, I tried their new sweet tea and I'll be...
Time for new tires? Save smart. Head to the VIP Smart Move Total Tire.